Hi everyone. Today let me show you yet another great piece of equipment. It's a Grassair VT series with integrated air dryer. For future filming I will start the compressor right now and I'll explain why later. That's it. I have started the compressor because it needs 2 additional minutes for air dryer to prepare and cool the air before the compressor starts. This brand Grassair, it's I think it's a brand under an Atlas Copco. So in addition to that, this brand here, it's a direct drive air compressor, and all the pneumatics valves are made under the brand Atlas Copco, and it's also sold in France under the name of RollAir. So we have here air dryer, and we have here air treatment device filter. This is cooler. So it's 22 kilowatts air compressor. It's a 22 kilowatts air compressor of maximum 9.28 bars. Last check, this machine is checked on the 12th of January with a maximum of 52,000 hours. This machine is completely overhauled, and now it starts. So, like I said, it's 52,000 hours, but this compressor is generally overhauled. The air end is rebuilt, and also the bearings and the main sealing on the electric motor are changed. New oil filter, air filter, and separator are also changed. Also comes with integrated air dryer. Thank you very much, and good luck on your bits.